Welcome to the Gunson workbench, the handiest place in the workshop for the automotive enthusiast, featuring the latest must-have tools from Gunson. Today we're going to have a look at our new vibratory tumbler polisher. What is that, you ask? This new machine uses different forms of media to gently remove rust and corrosion, as we will show with these old nuts, bolts and tooling. The rust and corrosion on these examples makes them more or less unusable, and sometimes older parts can be hard to come by. We recommend two types of media for this machine, and for initial corrosion removal we will use the brown resin media. These sharply angled media pieces will steadily chip away at the corrosion without damaging the parts. The vibratory tumbler polisher has a heavy-duty polyethylene bowl that will hold up to 2.2 kilograms of parts and media. Fill the tumbler bowl about 2/3 full. Simply place the parts to be cleaned on top of the media. Place the lid onto the bowl. Then use the wing nut to secure the lid in place, ensuring it's tight to prevent any media escaping. Now let's turn it on and watch it get to work. Inside the tumbler we can see the parts sink into the media, letting the assault on the rust and corrosion begin. Now it's time to play the waiting game. Times can vary depending on the amount of rust and corrosion on the affected parts. For corrosion removal, we recommend 2 to 6 hours, more if necessary. The motor is only rated at 25 watts, so this is an economical machine to run. The wait is finally over. Let's have a look at the results. That's more like it. And what a difference. The before and after says it all. But we're not done yet. The next stage is polishing or dry shining the parts. For this, we use medium grade ceramic media. After you've cleaned the bowl to remove all traces of the previous resin media, fill with the ceramic media. Put in the parts, place the lid on the bowl, and fasten the securing wing nut. Turn on and let the polishing begin. The parts sink into the media and are quickly surrounded and gently caressed and polished. Now allow the tumbler some time to get the ultimate finish. Recommended times are between 4 to 8 hours. It's time to shine. Remove the lid and fish out your parts. As you can see, a startling difference. Very impressive when you see the before and after. The parts are now ready for reuse. As you can see, really heavy corrosion pitting will not be removed by the polishing process, but these parts are still very serviceable. The Gunson Vibratory Tumbler Polisher. Available from your nearest Gunson stockist.